A front-end engineering and design, or FEED study, was just completed at Basin Electric's Dry Fork Station. For the past 2 years, Membrane Technology and Research, or MTR, has been conducting the study to determine the estimated cost for a commercial-scale carbon capture project. Gavin McCollum, Basin Electric Vice President of Engineering and Construction, explains the study, why it's important, and what the next step is.
But at the end of that study, you get a pretty good package of the preliminary design of any equipment. So lots of drawings, specifications for equipment and everything that you would need to take the next step. And then you also get a good estimate of the equipment for capital expense and then operating expenses for that equipment. So you have when it's all said and done, you have a really good package of what that equipment is, how much it costs, what's it cost to run, and other things that you want to learn before you make decisions. The next step you would want to do is a pilot plant, and that's what they're going to be doing starting next year. They'll start designing that and operating that probably in 2024, and it'd be for a 10 megawatt equivalent stream, so it's just a small fraction of what the flue gas is. But then they can really test out the equipment and see how it operates, see how it works, see if it does what they think it does in real life. Everything up to now has just been in the lab or on a bench or on paper. And so this will be the first real test of the technology in real life.
While Basin Electric has been heavily involved in the study and pilot project, both were largely funded by the Federal Department of Energy. Tyler Hammond, Basin Electric Vice President of Government Relations, says federal funding is important to help mitigate the cooperative's financial risk and allow for exploration of new technologies.
We've had quite a bit of success in the past years with DOE funding for various energy technologies. 45Q was increased a few years ago. That went from $20 a ton for storage to $50 a ton for storage, which is a pretty big leap, obviously. Continuing to work on that with direct pay, possibly increasing the value of 45Q. The renewable production tax credits have been in place for quite some time now and have shown their success. We just continue to look at new opportunities to build on those incentives and keep making sure that we have the tools we need to explore technology options.